Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows edition and build so you fetch the correct patch. Check 64-bit versus 32-bit in settings. Make a quick backup and create a system restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, pause non-essential apps and disable third-party antivirus temporarily because they often block installers. Then open the Microsoft Update Catalog or Windows Update standalone installer and download the exact security update matching your build. Once done, run the installer as administrator to begin applying the patch. Once the installer fails or the update is missing, run dism with restore health, then sfc to repair corrupted system files. These commands fix component store issues that block updates. Next, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to auto-detect common faults, and if that fails, reset Windows Update components manually, stop services, clear software distribution and cacheroot 2 folders, then restart services. Finally, install the downloaded MSU or cab using WUSA, EXE or DISM with add package. Doing it offline avoids Windows Update server conflicts. After installation, reboot and verify success in Update and Security View Update history. This confirms the security update applied. If it still says missing, examine CBS. Log and DISM logs for error codes. Those codes tell you whether drivers, components, or corruption block the update. Make sure drivers are current and reinstall any incompatible ones. As a final, reliable fix, perform an in-place upgrade with the Media Creation tool to repair Windows without data loss. If problems persist, one key tip: test on a clean boot to rule out third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.